a pioneer in Rotary Tables, known for delivering solutions to the manufacturing industries more than 30 years, so that you achieve accuracy and repeatability in every operations.
And we have experience of catering not only to India, but over 20 countries all over the world. Coming here, being present in our seminar, we are truly grateful to each one of you. This gives us an opportunity to connect with you all, our esteemed patrons, our dear customers.
Whatever make or whatever controller who are expert in giving the solution, making your existing machine or 4-axis or 5-axis. Almost it is a backlash free. When even if it is used over a period of time, it becomes older. Second, it will give the high speed. And third, it provides you the necessary torque required for the machining.
We develop our own technology. We do not depend on anybody for the technology. Our strength has been design and development and our own internal R&D. And then we also have macros developed, so it makes life very easy of our operator to create any new program. He has to just enter the gear parameters from the drawing, hop parameters from the hop drawing, and your program is ready.
To improve the productivity, it's not just about the machine. It's a mixture of machine, the tools, fixture, and the know-hows of how to utilize these to get the maximum output. So in this case, we have a steering pinion shaft, a 2-module component, tooth width 39 mm and 8 teeth. And we are using a high-speed carbide tool. And this machine is fully loaded with automation, that is the ring loader and magazine. So one operator could handle comfortably 3 to 4 of such machines at one go.
To install by every manufacturer. I think they have come up with this brilliant solution, and the technology they have come out in making out this product is brilliant.
And questions are there, you can ask us. We have the entire team available here. Thank you very much. Thank you.
First Rotary Table on our machine, UCAM.
Nice.
And we are 2 more after that.
Nimble has provided filled that space very effectively, and now I am seeing they are doing a very good job.
So it's a really good example for made in India product.
Yeah.
वो सर्विस एंड स्पोर्ट सबसे ज़्यादा बड़ी चीज़ होती है. वो हमें जब भी स्पोर्ट की जरूरत पड़ी है, UCAM ने ऑन द स्पॉट हमें इंस्टेंटली सर्विस किया.
और इनके रोटी टेबल में हमें बहुत ही अच्छा टॉर्क अराउंड 1000 जो न्यूटन मीटर टॉर्क जो हमें मिलता है.